Need to view your Outlook email password? In 60 seconds I'll show the safe steps to find it on Windows and how to protect it. Open Outlook, click File on the top left, then choose Account Settings and select Account Settings from the drop-down. Select your email account in the list and click Change to open the account connection settings. Note that Outlook itself does not show stored passwords in plain text in the account settings. To reveal a saved password on Windows, we'll use the Credential Manager. Close Outlook and open Control Panel, then search for Credential Manager. Open Credential Manager and switch to Windows Credentials to find entries associated with your email or Microsoft Office. Locate the credential entry that matches your email server or Microsoft Office account and click to expand it. Click Show or Reveal to display the stored password. Windows will prompt you to confirm with your Windows password or PIN. After confirming, the password appears in plain text. Record it securely or copy it directly into a password manager. If you cannot find the credential entry, sign into your email provider's website and use the password reset flow instead. For security, store passwords in a reputable password manager, enable two-factor authentication, and never share credentials. That's it. When recording or sharing screens, always blur email addresses and passwords. Subscribe for more clean, practical Outlook tips.